Hi, welcome to Linux Zone. In this video I will show how to build and install FFmpeg with shared library and create a pacman install package. So let's begin. So first open terminal and run this command. This will install a package called ASP, from which we can retrieve package build file from official repository of a package. After install ASP, make a new directory called build through mkdir command, or from file manager like this. Then cd to directory build. After install ASP, run this command. It will retrieve some files including package build and patches. You can a folder called FFmpeg and see them in file manager. There are 3 directories, 2 of them are repo and trunk. So, open repo directory, then extra. Now you will see 3 files including package build file. Copy them and paste them in FFmpeg root directory like shown on screen. So, you can open pkg build file in text editor and check the option enable shared in build function. If file looks okay, then close the file and go back to terminal. Now cd to FFmpeg directory and run this make pkg command. This will download and install the dependencies to build FFmpeg and create the pacman install package file of FFmpeg. So it will take some time to compile it, so wait some minutes. After successful build, you will see .zst file in FFmpeg root directory. It is a pacman install package of FFmpeg. So to install it, run this command. Press tab to complete its long name. To confirm which FFmpeg you are using, run which command and run FFmpeg in terminal like this. And to check in Audacity, go to Preference and then Libraries. You can see FFmpeg library version you installed. So, that's it in this video. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.